Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see from the title, healthy avocado salad. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make one of the most delicious and tasty recipe at home with just a few simple ingredients. So my friend, for this recipe I will definitely leave a full list of ingredients below. As always, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. So to begin, let's go right ahead with some fresh romaine lettuce. After fully washed, I will go ahead and chop into small pieces. Next, you're going to need 2 avocado, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and also ranch dressing. Do keep in mind, for this recipe you certainly can use any of your favorite ingredients. So here we are. After I went ahead and chopped my romaine lettuce into small pieces. Next I will go right ahead and add my chopped avocado. So my friend, on this channel I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe. Next I'll go ahead with half a tablespoon of black pepper and just give it a good mix once I fully had my ranch dressing. So my friend, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more easy video. So guys, here we are. This is a close-up after adding my black pepper. This looks absolutely delicious. I hope you can put this recipe together in no time. Super delicious and healthy. So my friend, before we continue the video, I just want to highlight and shout out one of my amazing subscribers who watches my video each time I upload. Big shout out to Mr. Pagan. So my friend, to put this recipe together, let's go right ahead and add our ranch dressing. So my friends, summer is just around the corner, so you enjoy eating healthy salad or you're a great fan of avocado, well, this recipe is perfect for you. So my friend, for added taste, I will go ahead with a bit of SAZON seasoning, which I will leave in the description box below. This seasoning will add an extra kick to this salad. So my friend, one of the most delicious avocado salad recipe ever. I hope you give this recipe a try and also leave a line down below. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, healthy and quick avocado salad recipe